Bonjour mes étudiants. Good morning students. Today we are going to start with our new chapter, Lesson 4, les objets et les gens. Lesson 4, the objects and the people. So let us start with the very first grammar topic of this chapter, which is l'article indéfini. Now children, what is the meaning of l'article indéfini? L'article indéfini means the indefinite articles in English. Now you all must have studied indefinite articles in English. They are a and an. Same way in French we have l'article indéfini, which is indefinite articles, and we have three forms of indefinite articles, which is un, une, and they. Now children, what does l'article indéfini means? The indefinite articles, they refer to something unspecific, means they are used to talk about some unspecified objects or some objects in general. That means when its identity is not known. Let us just go through all the three forms of indefinite articles. Un, une. Now children, un and une means and an in English, and they means some in English. Let us go to these articles one by one. Un is used for a masculine singular noun. That means un is placed before a masculine French word. Une is used for a feminine singular noun. That means une is placed before a feminine French word. They, which means some, for a plural noun, either masculine or feminine. That means they is placed before a plural French word, whether it is masculine or feminine. Let's go through some examples. Now children, you all know that all French words in French are divided into masculine or feminine, and how to differ between masculine and feminine words. Now children, mostly the French words which ends with e are the feminine nouns, and mostly the words which doesn't end with e are the masculine words. Let's go through the feminine nouns first. Une, regular. Now children, you can realize in regular, the word is ending with E. So that shows that regular is feminine, and we are going to put une as an article before regular. Une, regular. It means a ruler. Une, truce. Now children, see, truce is also ending with E. That shows that it is feminine. Again, we are going to put une as an indefinite article. Une truce, a pencil box. Une gomme, again it is ending with E. So we have put here une gomme, an eraser. Une calculette, again it is ending with E. So it shows that it is feminine too. And we are going to put it again, une calculette. That means a calculator. Next, une feuille. Again, it is ending with E, so we have put here a une. Une feuille, it means a piece of paper. Let's come to masculine nouns. Now, children, what is the meaning of masculine nouns? The words, the French words which doesn't end with E are the masculine words. Let's see the first one, un livre. Now children, you will realize that livre is ending with E. It should be feminine, but it is written in the masculine column. Why? Because children, un livre is an exception. Livre is an exception. What is the meaning of exception? Children, exception means the one which doesn't follow the rules. Now, exception, we have some exception French words, which I'll be teaching you further. Exception words means the words that ends with E, but they are not feminine, they are masculine. So you have to keep it in your mind always that these are the words which are called exceptions in French. They end with E, but they are still masculine, they are not feminine. So un livre, you have to keep it in your mind that it is always masculine though it ends with E. Next, a stylo, which means a pen. Now, children, it is not ending with E, so we have put here a stylo. Next, a cahier. Again, it is not ending with E, it is ending with R. So, a cahier, a notebook. Next, a taille crayon. You can see, again, it is not ending with E. So, we have put here a crayon. Again, not ending with E. So, we have put here a as an indefinite article. So, children, these are the masculine nouns and these are the feminine nouns. It's very easy to differ between them, but you have to keep in your mind some exception words, which I'll be teaching you further. Let's go to plural nouns. Now, children, for plural nouns, we have they as an indefinite article. How to judge whether the word is plural or not? It ends with S, or it may also end with X. Garçon, des garçons. You can see the word is ending with S, so we have put here they as an indefinite article, and des garçons means some boys. Des filles, you can see again filles is ending with S. So we have put here des filles means some girls. Next, des elves. Now again elves is ending with S. So we have put here des elves, some pupils. So for the plural nouns, the indefinite article is always they, whether the word is masculine or feminine. Now let's come to the exceptions. Now children, we have some exception words in French, as I told you, which doesn't follow the rule. First, un livre. Now un livre, it ends with E, but it will remain masculine and it will always take the indefinite article as un. Next, un pupitre. Pupitre means a desk. It's ending with again E, but we have put here as an indefinite article. Why? Because it is an exception. So pupitre, though it ends with E, it will remain masculine. Let's see some more exceptions. Un cartable. Now children, cartable again ends with E, but we have put here un because it is an exception and it will remain masculine. Next, an homme. An homme means a man. Now children, everyone knows that a man is a masculine gender. So obviously it is masculine and it will take as an indefinite article. Last, une fleur. Now children, what happens in the feminine word? The feminine word ends with E, right? But in fleur, we cannot see any E in the end. Still, it is having une as an indefinite article. Why? Because it is an exception. So you have to keep it in your mind that fleur, though it's not ending with E, but it will remain feminine. Une fleur. Always remember that fleur is a feminine noun.